Well, hey neighbor, it's me, Angie. Guess where I am? Yes, I am. I'm back at the garden and look at the sunflowers. Oh my goodness, they are coming up like lightning. Now let's move down. James is fixing to work the garden. I'm going to try to get some photos and a video of it before he starts up the tiller because that's going to make a lot of noise. But here we have the Smith squash. See how they're grown? Aren't they pretty? Look at that. There's the squash. I can't wait. I don't see any blooms yet. I can't wait till we start having squash. Oh, fresh squash I love. And then down here we have the tomatoes. There they are going up the panel. There they are. Oh, I think I see a little tomato. Wow. Hang on, guys. Neighbors. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but it's, let me see. It's right there. I don't know if that's the only one. No, there's one on the other one. A little small. If you look really close, you can see it. I hope the sun is just beaming down in my eyes, so I don't know if I'm filming where you can tell where everything is. Oh my goodness. We have banana peppers. More than just that one, guys. Oh, neighbors, look at the banana peppers coming. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, the garden's thirsty, though. Look at it. You can tell. There's the bell peppers. Yep. And we're going to go down here and look at the...
Pull that pepper.
Oh, James said we're going to pull this pepper.
It's touching the dirt. There's
All right.
another one right there.
Yeah, there's some down on the other bloom, too, right beside you. The next two have small banana peppers on them. Look at this one that you passed up. It has a little small one. The second one, yeah.
Boy, this ground's dry.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's thirsty.
Ooh,
All right, our first banana pepper. There it is. Our first banana pepper. Come out of the garden. I'll have that with my supper tonight. All right, so we're going to go down here and look at the cucumbers. Oh. All right. Cucumbers climbing that panel. What, do we have blooms, baby?
Yeah, it's starting to bloom a little bit.
Is it? Are you going to till and water, or are you just going to till it? What you going to do?
Today and then water tomorrow.
Oh, he's going to till it today. Oh, it is supposed to rain. It is supposed to rain tomorrow. I hope it doesn't rain too bad because I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow at 3 o'clock, I think. What are you putting on it, baby?
Fertilizer.
Oh, you're fertilizing it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What is the fertilizer you're using?
Triple 13.
Triple 13. Nice. I thought I'd come out here and get a video before you turn that tiller on, because I didn't know how loud that would be. I'm gonna go over here in the shade and when you crank the tiller up and get away from it, and maybe video a few minutes of you tilling if I have enough power left on my phone, but I think I do. But anyway, oh, do you see a bloom? Oh, you just
propping it up so it'll run.
Oh, okay. Gotta pull that grass out.
Nut grass.
That old nut grass. All right, there's more cucumbers right there. Let me get turned around. The birds are flying. It's a nice day. A very nice day. It's hot when you're sitting right out in the sun. Let's get back over here in the garden. I think I'm going to go get in the shade while he fertilizes, since I've showed you all the entire garden and how it's growing. Find a shade, Angie. Find a shade. Okay, I think I found a shade. All right, now let's get the whole view of the garden. There it is. Oh, my sunflowers are looking great. I couldn't grow one in the house, but James set the seeds out here in the garden and they're just taking off. The squash is looking good. Put down in the comments, how many of you all like squash? Fresh squash. I love it. I love squash casserole. I love steamed squash. I love squash cooked on the stove with onions and steamed down. I love it. You can put it in the microwave. Oh, just any way you want to cook squash, I like it. Now, as a young child, I didn't. As a teenager, I didn't. But as I got older, I learned to love it. I don't know. I truly believe that your taste buds change over time, because things that I wouldn't eat as a child, I find myself really enjoying now, which I've always loved vegetables. I've always been a vegetable eater, but it's always been the, like, asparagus, broccoli, I love Brussels sprouts, mustard greens, like diving with purpose. Cynthia, she has it in her garden. I love mustard greens. Looks like he's made it to the tomatoes. I think I may go live one time when we're out here in the garden. But for now, I'm just going to make videos so you all can see what we have. And look, our first banana pepper. Look at that. It's not too bad in the shade. Nope, not too bad. James has been outside all day, working, doing stuff to take out to the hunting lease and put out there, and I don't know, he just likes to stay outside. Now we're fertilizing the squash. Remember, it was triple 13. Don't forget to like and share this video and comment. Let me know what you think about the different things in the garden. What you like and what you don't like. It has really come up fast. I can't wait to see my sunflowers. All right, guys. I'm going to close out for now. I don't want to be out here when he starts the tilling of the garden. It makes so much noise, and I know y'all don't want to hear that on this video. But I just wanted to share with y'all how far we've gotten on the garden. And I will check back in a couple of days and let you know how it's coming along. Okay, neighbor, remember, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring that bell. Until next time, the Smith Garden for another update. Bye, neighbor.